Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Hi, I'm Rafa and this is Karima. What's up? And today we are doing something a little different. We are going to say hi in different languages today. As you guys may know, we are learning 2 different languages. Arabic at school and Somali at home. And of course we know English. French, bonjour. Kiswahili, Jumbo. Turkish, marhaban. Danish, hi. Czech Republic, Doobity Den. Brazil, hola. Bulgaria, Zdrasvi. Dutch, oi. South Sudan, Keith. Uganda, ole oche. Japanese, konnichiwa. Indian, namaste. German, guten Tag. Arabic, assalamu alaikum. New Zealand, kia ora. Philippines, kamusta. Swaziland, swabona. Leave a comment for how you say hi in your language. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Dutch. Oi. Oi, 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 oi. Try again. Do it again. Dutch. Wait. You say it. I'm too energetic. Please. That sounded sad. What am I supposed to say?